Another alert.
Southeastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Northern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Forest City, or near Mooresboro, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Shelby, Lincolnton, Cherryville, Bessemer City, Dallas, Stanley, Randall, High Shoals, Lawndale, and Falston. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, Gaston, and Lincoln.